Adobe InDesign certification exam is designed to measure the competency of entry-level production artists in creating and laying out an InDesign document for print or digital output, and managing the workflow for a team. Adobe recommends that you should have 2 years of page layout experience and familiarity with most aspects of the program, and also have some experience with Photoshop, Illustrator, and Acrobat Professional. In order to receive Adobe InDesign certification, you must pass InDesign CC or InDesign 2017 exams. Adobe InDesign certification exams cover basic interactive features to documents, working with Microsoft Word documents, troubleshooting issues related to page layout, analyzing and work with documents built by another user, navigating the InDesign user interface and document window. For the Adobe InDesign exam, you will need to attempt 60 items in 75 minutes. The items are multiple choice questions. To pass Adobe InDesign exam, you will need to score at least 300 out of 700. Once you pass Adobe InDesign certification exam, you are considered to be qualified to work as a web designer, graphic designer, design specialist, and digital production artist. Your certification expires after 12 months from the day you earn it and must be renewed before the expiration date. To explore more about the uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/certification/adobe/ace-indesign.html. You can call us on 1415-763-6300 or reach us by an email at sales@ucertify.com.